Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to follow your favorite channels on WhatsApp. So let's open up the WhatsApp tab. And now, as you can see at the bottom left corner, I'm in updates. I'm not in chats. I'm not in calls. I am in updates. So right here at the bottom, you can see that there's find channels. I'm going to click on see all. Now, all these channels pop up, right? There are different categories like most attractive, popular, new, and I want to find a specific channel. I want to find ESPN, right? And so all the ESPN channels pop up. I'm going to click on ESPN NL. I'm going to click the plus sign, and now I'm going to cancel it. And now I'm going to go back on the updates tab, and you could see right here the channels that I follow. I followed ESPN NL, and I can click on this channel and I can actually see everything they have posted. So that's how you add channels to your WhatsApp account. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.